In today's video, we're going to make our own all-natural teeth whiteners and learn why you need to know how to make these fantastic do-it-yourself products for your home. Please like, share, and subscribe. Who doesn't want a beautiful white smile? Here are 3 recipes to whiten your teeth using all-natural ingredients. All right, let's get to it. Recipe number 1. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon juice possesses fabulous whitening properties and is antibacterial. 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda is also a natural whitener, antibacterial, and its abrasive quality scrubs away stains. First, brush teeth. Mix both ingredients until a paste is formed. Apply to teeth. Leave on for 2 minutes, then rinse well. Ensure you only leave on for the time stated due to lemon's naturally acidic properties. Recipe number 2. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar not only can remove stubborn stains, but it's also antibacterial, maintaining healthy teeth and gums. First, brush teeth. Then, rub apple cider vinegar on your teeth. Leave on for 30 seconds, then rinse well. You have to be consistent with this protocol, as it will take at least a month to notice a difference. Recipe number 3. 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil is antibacterial and an antifungal, so it's great to use in oil pulling. Oil pulling is one of the most natural ways to whiten your teeth and has been used for thousands of years in Asia. There are no known side effects and is considered a preventative therapy in overall good oral health. Simply swish the oil around your mouth in a gentle motion for 20 minutes. Spit out into the garbage as to not clog your sink. This protocol must be consistently done to see its benefits. It's just that easy. Here's the recipe if you'd like a screenshot. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.